Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Power here, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a brand new tool. I went out to Lowe's and picked up the Craftsman 20V Cordless Variable Speed Jigsaw. This is the tool only as it says on the box, but I'm going to have need of a cordless jigsaw here in the very near future for a bigger project that I'm going to be doing and filming for the YouTube channel. So I thought it was time to go out and get a cordless jigsaw. We're going to unbox this and see all the features it has. And it does not come with a battery, keep that in mind, but I already have two of the 20V Craftsman batteries here for the cordless drill and driver combo set I got for Christmas last year, and that came with the charger and two batteries, so I don't have a need to buy more batteries at this point, but I'm really excited to unbox this tool. Speaking of jigsaws, I do have a jigsaw. It's this one right here behind me. It is the old DeWalt jigsaw, and it's given me years of great service. It was my grandfather's jigsaw, and he really liked using it. He cut out the Marlboro Men silhouettes to lean up against a tree out of 3/4 inch plywood and painted them black. But this jigsaw has given me years of great use again, and it's good, but it is corded, and I really have need for a cordless version. So right now what I'm going to do is move the camera over to the workbench, and we're going to unbox this new jigsaw and take a look at it. Here it is fully assembled. It basically comes fully assembled out of the box. Great tool. It has an Allen key here for fine tuning everything with the shoe to do bevel cuts and all. But it seems to be a great tool. It looks awesome. It sounds great. It's got variable speeds. It's also got a lock on the trigger. Again, it takes the 20V battery that Craftsman has out now at Lowe's. And one thing that really inspired me to pick this tool up was this. It does come with one of the T-shank jigsaw blades. If you can see this, you lift this little lever here, you slide the blade in as far as it'll go, release the lever, and your blade is in there and it is secure. Keyless blade changes. That's one thing that DeWalt did not have that I was always frustrated with. Had to keep up with the Allen key to change blades. And as far as I thumbed through the instructions, and as far as I can tell, it will take both T-shank and then the normal style jigsaw blades. But right now I have three different pieces of wood here, and we are going to try cutting them with the new Craftsman jigsaw. Again, I'm left-handed, so the first piece we're going to try is 1/2 inch plywood. And I'm just going to cut straight across. I'm not trying to keep it straight or anything. This is just to see how this tool cuts through the wood. So 1/2 inch plywood is up first. Here we go. Nice and smooth cutting action. Now we're going to try. This is those shipping crate slats that I've got a lot of. I've posted me getting these over on my Instagram. Try cutting one of those. Again, nice and smooth. And now for a thicker wood. This is pallet wood that I got, and I've been milling it down on the new Craftsman planer that I have, making pallet wood panels. But again, let's just try doing a simple cross cut with it. Awesome. Cuts nice and smooth. Really like that. But here it is, the Craftsman 20V cordless variable speed jigsaw. Again, here is the Craftsman jigsaw. I think it is a rock solid tool, very sturdy construction. I love it. I love that it has that toolless blade change. Just a 360 look at it. Really awesome. I love it, and I love what Lowe's is doing with the Craftsman name now, bringing notoriety back to the tool brand. Say what y'all want about it. These 20-volt tools are serving me extremely well out here in the workshop for what I do being a scroll saw artist. And speaking of the scroll saw, I look at it in this type of manner. If you can scroll saw, you can easily jigsaw. If you can use a jigsaw, you can easily learn to use a scroll saw, because it is the same type of cutting motion. It's an up and down cutting motion. Also, you can do internal cuts with both a jigsaw and a scroll saw. The jigsaw is just on a very much bigger scale, and I'm very excited to have this tool out in the workshop. And it is going to go great with my other 20-volt tools from Craftsman. I have the Craftsman circular saw, now the jigsaw, and the drill driver combo. Very excited to have it out in the workshop. I hope you guys like this little review I did of it. You'll see me using the jigsaw some in some upcoming videos. Again, I have a major project coming up that I'm going to be filming and documenting me making it. So until next time, guys, that is about all for this video. And remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.